Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Daddy Finger. As most coffee lovers, I love starting my day with a hot cup of coffee. Coffee ice cream is a welcome treat any time of the day. Today, I am going to show you how to make an easy 3-ingredient coffee ice cream. In a coffee cup, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder of your choice. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix well. Keep this coffee mixture aside. In a bowl, add 1.5 cup of whipping cream, that is Schlagsahne. Add half cup of sweetened condensed milk. Add the coffee mixture and mix well. Using a hand mixer, beat at medium speed. Take care that it does not turn into a butter. Beat till the mixture reaches a thick, creamy consistency. Transfer the content to a rectangular box and freeze it for 7 hours. Lip-smacking coffee ice cream is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.